Have you ever thought about freelancing but felt like you didn't have the right skills to get started? What if I told you that you don't need to be an expert to start earning money as a freelancer? That's right. There are plenty of opportunities out there for beginners, even if you're starting from scratch. Today, we're diving into tips to start freelancing without any skills. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, these tips will help you get started and build your freelancing career. But before we get started, if you're all about finding creative ways to make money, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's get into it. Here's what we'll cover. Start with simple tasks. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer beginner-friendly gigs. Leverage what you know. Use your hobbies or interests to find freelance work. Data entry and virtual assistance. No special skills required. Content writing. You don't need to be a professional writer to get started. Social media management. If you're active online, you can manage accounts for others. Online research. Help businesses gather information. Transcription. Jobs. Turn audio into text with minimal training. Sell digital products. Create templates, guides, or printables. Test websites and apps. Get paid to give feedback. 10. Learn as you go. Use free resources to build skills while earning. Let's start with number 1. Start with simple tasks. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great for beginners. You can offer services like basics, graphic design, simple video editing, or even administrative tasks. These gigs don't require advanced skills, and they're a great way to build your portfolio. Which brings us to number 2. Leverage what you know. Think about your hobbies or interests. Do you love organizing? Offer virtual organizing services. Are you good at taking photos? Start with basic photo editing. Your existing knowledge can be your ticket to freelancing success. Now let's talk about number 3. Data entry and virtual assistants. These are some of the easiest freelancing jobs to start with. Data entry involves inputting information into spreadsheets or databases, while virtual assistants help with tasks like email management and scheduling. No special skills are required, just attention to detail and good communication. Fact number 4. Content writing. You don't need to be a professional writer to get started with content writing. Many businesses need blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. If you can write clearly and do a little research, you can land writing gigs. Fact number 5. Social media management. If you're active on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can offer social media management services. Many small businesses need help posting content and engaging with their audience. Fact number 6. Online research. Companies often need help gathering information for projects. If you're good at finding reliable sources online, you can offer research services. Fact number 7. Transcription jobs. Transcription involves turning audio files into written text. While some jobs require fast typing, others are beginner-friendly. With a little practice, you can start earning money as a transcriptionist. Fact number 8. Sell digital products. If you're creative, you can create and sell digital products like templates, guides, or printables. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to get started. Fact number 9. Test websites and apps. Companies pay people to test their websites and apps and provide feedback. No technical skills are needed, just an eye for detail and the ability to share your thoughts. And finally, fact number 10. Learn as you go. One of the best things about freelancing is that you can learn new skills while earning money. Use free resources like YouTube tutorials, blogs, and online courses to build your expertise as you go. So which of these freelancing ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you've already started freelancing without any skills, share your story. It might inspire someone else. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Freelancing is a journey, and you don't need to be an expert to take the first step. See you next time.